On NAB this year, I'm very happy to announce a new solution to manage connectivity across any type of a network, whether that's a satellite network, GEO, MEO, LEO, network segments that we tie together, or fiber optic networks, or traditional old-style telco networks. What we did on our product is to enable the use of those connectivity options all in one simple solution. That's basically what we do. This is something really brand new. Why is that? Because we've built it basically down deep in our core data miner platform. That means connectivity nowadays is part of the data miner platform, and with that comes all the other features that you have in data miner as well in terms of automation, resource management and allocation. So it's really a very fantastic new type of a solution. What is it about? As you set up and manage connections, it's all about managing sources and destinations. So what we did is we basically have grouped different flows together in what we call virtual signal groups. Those could be data flows, those could be video flows. You basically group them very conveniently together in those signal groups. And as you want to set up connections, you can have any type of user interface to really set up those connections in an operational environment. This can be a very simple button panel to enable data connections, as an example, for fiber restoration, backup, for any type of connection that you may have. But equally well, we can have APIs doing the exact same thing. So connecting one signal group to another from one part of the world to another part of the world is very easily done with a highly customizable panel or API that you can deploy on data miner. That's really the choice of the operations teams. Of course, as you manage connectivity, it's all about understanding how that connection should work and how it actually runs across the network, because that's not always the same. Sometimes you ask the systems and the networks to do things, whereas the end result may not appear as you would expected it. So we built a whole, what we call a flow monitoring, flow tracking solution as well, that shows you at any point in time, let's say the as engineered parts, that's what you ask the networks to do, and that could be a path across multiple constellations, across fiber segments and whatever you have. And at the same time, we would analyze and monitor each bit and piece in the network to really visualize and reconstruct, re-engineer what is really happening on the network so that operators can easily understand the differences. This is a very easy view. You can work on it from a signal group, so you can give signal groups a name for easy troubleshooting and finding. But for IT people, it could be very easy to just drill down into the physical network, and for each of the network components, satellite gateways, whatever you have, hubs, get a list of all the IP addresses there and really figure it out. For pure IT people, we could even say, look, for every multicast and unicast stream on the network, we're going to resolve that and visualize it very easily. So what we really did with data miner is we built connectivity in the core. The connectivity runs on different multiple network segments and different technologies as well. And we made it easy to set up and manage these connections, as well as monitoring the connections if something is wrong. So that's really new in the core of data miner. That's basically enabling multi-layer connectivity in the easiest possible manner.